We're going to explain what would happen if the sun exploded. 1. It's important to understand that the sun won't explode in the way a typical star might, like a supernova. The sun is not massive enough for that. Instead, in about 5 billion years, it will enter its red giant phase. 2. As it runs out of hydrogen fuel in its core, the sun will begin to expand dramatically, swallowing Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. 3. This expansion won't be an explosive event, but rather a slow, gradual process over millions of years. 4. The increased size and surface temperature will dramatically change the conditions on any remaining planets. 5. Earth, if it survives the expansion, will be scorched and uninhabitable, its oceans boiled away. 6. After the red giant phase, the sun will shed its outer layers, forming a planetary nebula, a beautiful expanding cloud of gas and dust. 7. What remains will be a dense, hot core called a white dwarf, slowly cooling over trillions of years. 8. So while the sun won't explode in a spectacular supernova, its death will be a dramatic and devastating event for our solar system. The energy released during its expansion and the subsequent planetary nebula formation would be immense, but the energy wouldn't be released in a single, concentrated burst like a supernova. 9. The immediate effect on Earth during the red giant phase would be intense heat, rendering the planet uninhabitable long before the sun actually reaches our orbit. 10. Even if Earth miraculously survives being engulfed, the intense radiation would strip away the planet's atmosphere and oceans, leaving behind a barren, lifeless rock. 11. The long-term effect would be the total destruction of life on Earth and the transformation of our solar system into a very different place. 12. In short, a sun explosion, as commonly imagined in science fiction, is inaccurate. The reality is a slow yet ultimately catastrophic series of events resulting in the sun's transformation into a white dwarf, leaving behind only the remnants of a once vibrant solar